2008 Mazda 3 door taken apart because the lock door actuator got stuck. This lock right here was stuck in the lock position and would not move. All the tension. Now it's obviously moving freely. So if you look, I got a new actuator, didn't have to install it. If you look at, this is the old actuator that I'm going to keep on. And this piece right here, you move it up, and there's that spring that's showing, and it's got two little pins, one in the white part and one right there behind the white piece. And as soon as I got this open, it was stuck like in the lock position like this. And as soon as I moved it down, that little spring fell out. So it was definitely jammed in there. Now it's moving freely. Cleaned everything up as much as I could, and WD-40'd everywhere. There's another little spring in there on the other handle mechanism. So I WD-40'd that, so hopefully that doesn't lock up either, but it saved me $125. That's how much the whole adapter piece was. So yeah, apparently this is a common problem. Most of the things I found on YouTube were not for a Mazda 3. And people had a really hard time figuring out what's going on when the handle and or locking mechanism locks up. And I couldn't lock it from the outside. My fob wouldn't lock or wouldn't work. The electrical button right here wouldn't work. It was just jammed shut. And my door, the most complicated part was getting my door open. I spent about 5 hours researching and trying to just get this locking mechanism right here to release. That's the part that goes into the door and locks, and I could not get it. And randomly today I just decided to pull the handle and my door decided to open. Don't ask me why, I have no idea. So if your door is locked shut, sorry, I can't help you there, but once you do get the door open, or if you can get into the door panel with your door closed, you can get this out and hopefully get it fixed. But anyway, glad to save some money.